Oh, exit na.
Thank you.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah.
Ang sarap manood ng dancer na sumasayaw kahit walang music. No?
Totoo.
I-welcome natin ang mga Dower Cats natin sa The Clones.
Eto na mga Dabarkads, ang last batch ng mga ka-voice ng Male Classic Clones ang magpi-flex na kanilang galing bago ang Grand Finals bukas, mamiging.
Ay.
Tomorrow na.
At eto na ang una nating clone.
There could never be a portrait of my love, for nobody could paint your dream. You will never see a portrait of my love, for miracles are never seen. Anyone who sees her soon forgets the Mona Lisa. It would take, I know, a Michelangelo, and he would need the glow of dawn that paints the sky above, to try and paint a portrait of my love. It would take, I know, a Michelangelo. Even he would need the glow of dawn that paints the sky above, to try and paint a portrait of my Thank you po.
Roel Carino ng Valenzuela City. Si Matt
Matt
ang batang
Monroe.
Matt Monroe.
Kamalan, it's good to be back.
Yeah, I know. Welcome back. When was the last time you were here?
June 28.
June pa. August na
Tagal-tagal
ngayon.
na.
2 months ago na.
Oo nga.
At last, at saka bagong tabas siya.
Oo, bagong
Pinagandaan.
pasa ang buhok.
Tandaan talaga niya.
Pag Grand Finals na siya.
Yes.
Ikaw, kailan ka magpapatabas?
Malapit na, boss.
Grand Finals.
Malapit
Ng buhok o ng mukha?
Eh, buhok.
Ang
Buhok.
Sabay na kayo ni Alan.
Ay, ako, every 3 weeks ako, 2 weeks, ganun.
Yabang mo na.
Malaki pa. May request
Ito na,
ang audience
meron.
natin.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hi, Damarkas! Mga nagpatabas na ba kayo? Hello po. O, sino sa inyo? Diretso tayo agad, ha? Sino sa inyo ang magre-request? Hello po. Parang nilalayuan ka nila, Mami. Anong pangalan mo, Mami? Betty, Mami Betty. Ilang taon na po kayo?
76.
Lakas pa ni Mami, ah. Paborito niyo po ba si Matt Monroe?
Oh, yes.
Huwag naman kayo nagagalit, Mami. Mami, ano pong paboritong song niyo ni Matt Monroe? At papakita natin dun sa contestant. Lahat po. Pero may isa kang paborito. Anong gusto mong i-request?
There could never be.
Ay, nakanta na po eh.
Kanta na po yun,
Portrait of My Love.
That's...
Anong kanta po?
Ano pong kanta gusto niyo i-request?
Ano na lang. Kakanta na lang ako ng iba.
Ha?
Naku, Mami, mag-request tayo ng kanta. Pero gusto mo bang kumanta?
Sige.
O, sige.
Ano kanta? Ano kanta?
ni Mami.
O, sige, isang line lang, Mami.
Basta poet they Caesar, I say, please share my umbrella.
Oh, salamat,
Maganda
Mami.
yung kanta niya.
Oo nga.
Basta what they please there, I say, please share my umbrella. Memorize mo. Sunod.
Basta goes Caesar, I say, this my umbrella.
Sunod.
Umulan na kasi umbrella.
Oo, umulan na eh.
na.
Tsaka
Thank you
umalis na
po.
yung bus. Thank you, Mami.
Thank you, Mami. Sige,
Salamat
hanap
po.
tayo na mag-request, ha? Wait, sino kaya? Ikaw, gusto niyo pong mag-request? Ano pong pangalan niyo?
Anita Legaspi,
Ma'am Anita, ano pong song ni Matt Monroe ang gusto niyo pong i-request?
if I never sing another song.
Ayun!
Ganda niyan. In my
I
heyday.
never sing another song.
I'm sure kaya ni Ruel yan, no?
Kaya po.
Pandiin yan eh.
Kaya.
Oo, sige, let's go. Good luck, good luck.
In my heyday, young girls wrote to me. Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me. Everyone I saw all swore they knew me. Once upon a song, main attractions couldn't buy a seat. The celebrities would die to me. I've had every accolade bestowed on me, and so you see, if I never sing another song, it shouldn't bother me. I've had my share of fame. You know my name. If I never sing another song or take another bow, I would get by, but I'm not sure how. La 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 la. I would get by, but I'm not sure how.
Ano iyan?
Nagustuhan po ba?
O malamang, ako nga natulala. Ano pong masasabi niyo, Mami, sa boses ni Kuya, ka-boses, ka-voice ba ni Matt Monroe?
Yes, at ang ganda-ganda ng kanyang pagkanta.
Pero napansin ko yung ganun mo, Mami, ha? Wala sa tiyempo, pang let's get loud yun.
Nakita ko rin.
Nakita ko ang bilis. Sige, Mami, thank you po,
Thank
ha?
you,
sa-
Mami.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Ruel, hindi tayo natatapos doon, ha? Dahil meron pa kaming challenge.
Wow.
As Matt Monroe, kakantahin mo ang kanta ni Jose Marichan na Afraid for Love to Fade.
Ganda
Parang bagay din
nun.
sa'yo yun. Kaya mo yun?
Kaya ko po kasi yung kapangyarihan ko po nanggagaling sa mukha ko eh. Kamukha ko raw si Jose Marichan eh.
Sige nga, kunyari, dumungaw kunyari, September na, dudungaw na si Jose Marichan. Dungaw.
Shout out po.
Singit ng Perfect Christmas.
Nang?
Singit natin, onting part, yung chorus ng Perfect Christmas.
Paano?
Pwede po ba?
My idea.
Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends will always remember. Watching busy shoppers rushing about in the children's carols in the air. By the Christmas tree, a shower of stardust on your hair.
Wow! Pwede rin pala mag-Jose Marichan.
Galing ni Jose Marie Monroe.
Iba yun, boss.
Nag-collab. Pero ito, Afraid for Love to
Eto
Fade.
na. Afraid for Love to Fade, Jose Marichan. Galingan mo, Ruel!
My head's in a jam, can't take you off my mind. From the time we met, I've been beset by thoughts of you. And the more that I ignore this feeling, the more I find myself believing that I just have to see you again. I can't let you pass me by, I just can't let you go. But I know that I am much too shy to let you know. Afraid that I might say the wrong words and displease you. Afraid for love to fade before it can come true. I can't let you pass me by, I just can't let you go. Let me say the things, I'll say the words to let you know. I would rather say the awkward words than lose you. Or for love to fade before it can come true. Thank you po.
Last request.
Yes, sir.
Kasi bagay sa iyo yung Jose Marichan din pala. Refrain.
Refrain. Sure.
I look out.
I look out, and I see the rain as it falls on my window pane. And the music that's in my heart, wait lang po, is a sad refrain. Oh.
Silip.
Sumilip siya.
Papasunin.
Thank you very much, Ruel Carino ng Valenzuela.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Comedian
you.
pala itong batang to eh.
Comedian. Pero mga Dabarcats, pagkatapos ni Matt Monroe,